Hello friends, I hope all are doing very well. So right now I am just in front of the Roman Catholic Church, which is the Sacred Heart Cathedral in Delhi, just close to the Shivaji Stadium metro station. So let's see the view. I am going to visit inside this church, which is very old church. So let's see and get lots of information regarding the Roman Catholic Church Sacred Heart Cathedral from Delhi, nearby. Which is also so close to Rajiv Chowk and the Connaught Place. So let's see the view. Thank you so much and stay in update to get me and get lots of information regarding this church. Thank you so much. So the Cathedral of the Sacred Hearts, which is also known as the Sacred Heart Cathedral, is a Roman Catholic church in India, in Delhi, which is belonging to the Latin Rite and one of the oldest church building in New Delhi, which is located nearby the Connaught Place. So this church is constructed begin in 1930 and financed by the colonial officers of British Empire at that time. So the church building was designed by British architecture Henry Head on Italian architecture, and in this church there is a statue of the Virgin Lady. So I'm going to visit inside the church because this is my first experience in Delhi where I'm going to visit any church. Already I also visited lots of church. So this is the gateway, entry gate of the church. From this gate I am going inside the church. So this is the view. It's also looking beautiful from here, and this is there is a one statue of lady, so which is clearly visible from the here. So this is a statue of the lady. Let's see. So let's go ahead. So I am going towards, and few persons tourist has also come to visit this church, which is looking so amazing here. And there are lots of peoples are coming here to visit this church. And before that I was in Bangla Sahib Gurdwara, and after that I have come here to visit this church. And from this way I am going to visit Birla Sri Lakshmi Narayan temple, which is also located close from here, only 1 kilometer from here I think. So this church I have seen on the way, so I came here to visit this church. So the church building was designed by British architecture Henry Head on Italian architecture. In this church there is a statue of the Virgin Mary, and the major ceremonies held in this at the cathedral such as the Easter and Christmas. So already I also visit lots of church in my life. So let's see the design of this church. This church built in the Italian style and architecture, which was designed by the British architecture Henry Head. So this is the view, and inside the church camera and is not allowed, so I am trying to show everything regarding the details regarding the church from here only. So I also visited lots of church in my life. So St. Paul Cathedral in Kolkata is to be the largest church in Kolkata and first Anglican cathedral in Asia, where I also visited. Churches and convents of Goa in Belha, Goa, declared as a World Heritage Site in 1986, which was also the capital of Portuguese India and Asia's and church like Sa Cathedral of Goa, Basilica of Bom Jesus, Church of St. Francis, and Runs of Augustine were the more quite popular church there in Goa. So Christ Church in Simla.